day. Today we have ventured into Torremolinos to see a little about what this small city has. And here I am at the Central Market. Look at it, it's beautiful. Welcome to the Nerdy Traveler, by the way.
So we finally landed in Torremolinos and we took one night to show you this hotel in in Torremolinos to actually make it a little bit festive. This is Sol by Melia, and here in Torremolinos. And let's give a room tour. Welcome to the Nerdy Traveler. First you have here spacious beds, double beds. You have here side tables, the phone, the switches, one plug here. One plug on the other side also. So often they forget to put two plugs. I think this sofa bed makes a second bed in reality with the looks of this thing. The balcony we'll come to a little later, if there is a view or not. This little table, there is some scuff marks here. It's not the newest quality. Forget the baggages. We just arrived. There is a fridge, minibar fridge. There is a mini bar, but you have to book a package. So that you can do. There's a price list. You have a television, pretty big. You have also here, you have a SCART stick, which is not often seen, but I think that is when you do work from, so you can transport it up here. There is a USB stick here, and there's plug more, so 3 plugs in all. Then there is the bench here for your bags, if they were, yeah. Here there is extra covers if you need. Very nice. And here we are in the hallway. You have here closet. And you have here the closet. And you have here the safe. Here you have the safe. And the laundry bag and stuff like that. And you have here multitude of, so when we logged in, it's very funny, you have, when we came and checked in, the couple besides us is going to stay here for a month. Then I think you need this space. You need this amount of space. The rooms are not that well heated, so you have to put it on something here. It's a little cold in Torremolinos right now. Torremolinos, I'm thinking I'm Gran Canaria, I'm not. So we put up the heat on. So that I will come to in a little while. And there is closet space. So now, let's test the bed. Okay. Let's do the bed test. Okay. It's a hard bed, which is good. It's a bouncy feather mattress. If you do a little more like Walk With Me Tim-ish, let me check. Is there anything? Oh. There's a mattress cover. No, there's no mattress cover. But it looks good. I will check it more, of course. So, good. And very comfortable, 2 pillows, I think, per person. It's okay. Let's do the bathroom. And now we're in the bathroom, and here we have in front of us the mirror. So, big sink, 2 small glasses, the hand wash there, body care, no brand, not really knowing what it is. The all important, especially for me, right? Hair dryer works, the shaving mirror, a normal toilet, bucket, toilet paper, cleaning thing, lots of towels, or enough towels, or shower. In the shower, I think you would be able to get around 1, 2, maybe 3 people in there, but they would, of my size, right? But they would be really struggling. Now, the last part of this is the chatter guys thing, right? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one short of actually being in the chatter guys approval list for a hotel room. No? One. So they did it. They did the sharing stock. That needs to be 6. So that's what we do. 6. So let's see what they have given us. Big nice picture. All the doors over here. Okay. Yeah. A big balcony, and yes, there is sea view. But let me try to get the camera. There is sea view. So over there. But else, not much to look at. So that was the room review of Melia. I will give you a final detail on the tomorrow, how the night was in the bed and how the breakfast was. And then we will see if it's worth it. Good morning, nerdy travelers. Just to keep an abreast on this hotel room and the stay at Sol by Melia Don Pablo. It's this resort, which it is. It's consisting of 3 hotels. Is humongous. It has quite a number of areas. It's lying just down to the beach in Torremolinos. It's a little bit of walk if you want to walk up to the old town, which is great. And I want to do, if I would do that if you can. For us, the beds were comfortable. The breakfast, as you've seen, was okay. It's on the older side. It's still cheap and fairly okay. Yeah, it's worth the stay. Sorry for my voice. I've gotten a cold while we are in Torremolinos because of the weather changes from Berlin. It's amazing. And we are taping this in January, early January. Yeah. Melia by Sol is probably, it's an all-inclusive hotel if you choose this option. They have entertainment in the evenings. They have everything that you can enjoy. It seems to me that it's the primary people who are here, the primary guests are a little of the older side, or younger families with kids. So that's also something to take into your consideration. But the beds were very comfortable. We slept very nice. See you soon in the next video.